Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Another week of savings challenges, and I always look forward to it because it makes me so happy that no matter how little or big I'm still stuffing something. Anyway, I've got £140 here as usual. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And I'm going to start with my July today, my monthly. I'm always knocking my bits and pieces all over the place. So that's 15. I think I'm going to finish this one a week earlier, but I can always skip a week because I started it a week early. I did, yes. I'm going to speed this up quickly and finish colouring it in. Not as good as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. It will do. That's £15. Which is the best way to put that? Maybe that way, yeah. Don't know why I always flip it to the other side. Okay, and I'm going to put 15 in the 52-week challenge. That's building up nicely. And then we move on to another binder. I'm not putting anything in my Save 2023 today. I've got plans for that. It's very, very windy in London today. Extremely windy. It keeps knocking over all my tomato plants and my little flowers. It knocked my lovely flower pot off the windowsill today. I had to go out in the garden and take everything up. And those tomato plant tree pots are really big and heavy, but I had to lift them back up. Right, the mini money matters, the dandelion and the piggy pounds are completed. I've got the woodland wonder, and that is £5 each icons. There we go, that one's done. We just give that a bit of a wafty. Okay, and the have a heart is completed. The fruit salad, let me see, all these all go into one envelope. That's why I've left that one out. I'm going to do the cherries today. I'll just mark off the cherries. Just give that big thick tick. That's £5 as well. Let's do a 10. And then the daisies are finished. And we have Adventure Awaits. That gets £5 as well. And I'll just give that big tick. I'll tick off the camera today. And then the treasure trove will get 10. And I'll just colour that in. Let's see. 10. So that's 4, 3, 1, 4 and 3, 7, 8, and 2 is 10. Lovely. That one is completed. I'm just gonna remind myself that it's completed, otherwise I won't remember. Should have put finished, actually. I put finished on the others. Right, that's done. Nice. Okay, and the sweet treats is going to get £5 as well. I'll colour that in. That's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 so far. Let me just put back 5, 10, 15, 20. There. Lovely. And then I have the sunflower savings. I'm going to put £5 in there today. That's 3 and 2 is 5. Lovely. Wafty wafty. And that is that for another week. The mini money savings. Lovely. That's done. I'm not doing the waft. Am I doing the wafty wafty today? Did I say I was going to do the wafty wafty today? Yeah, why not? Let's do wafty wafty, and I'll do some in purple. And I'm going to put £10 in, £2 a letter, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Lovely. That's for the wafty wafty. I'm going to change this up and put £20 in, because I really think I'm going to need to change. This is good, playing around with money like this. I like it. Alright, that's wafty wafty done for another week. And then I'm doing the 50 as well. That's £2 a circle. So I'm going to be doing £10 today. Right, that's another wafty wafty. So that's 20 in there. I think I'll change that up. There. Great. Right, I think that's it for another week. And put that away as well. A lovely wafty wafty keychain. Isn't it lovely? Right, the big roll the dice. I did it last week. I really like doing it. I'm gonna do blue. That's my jar for all my dice. And I really like doing it, so I'm gonna do it again this week. I'll just roll twice. It's 4. and 2. That's £6. 4 and 2. Is it this one that I used? 4 and 2. So I'll do the 2. I always forget to bring the coins out. So I've got £1 to put. I'll leave that there so I know that I've got to put £1 for that. So that's £6 today. 15. So I'll do. Yep, that's my thank you piggies here. I did stop it at one point, but I decided to start it again. I do like it. So that got £15 today. I've got some rollover from last week as well, and I want to keep it because I want to introduce the 100 envelope challenge. So I've got 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 105. I've got, let's just check, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 105. Do you remember when I made the 100 envelopes last year from out of envelopes that I've had sitting in my craft room? Well, I'm gonna bring that box out finally, so look out for that video. It'll be coming really soon. And that's it for me this week. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.